Most users open Copilot Chat and ask simple questions, but professionals use it like a digital work assistant. Imagine having a powerful partner ready to tackle your daily challenges instantly and intelligently. A productivity command center that responds with clarity and speed. Copilot Chat is more than a chatbot. It's designed to help you ask questions, summarize information, brainstorm, compare ideas, and prepare work faster using natural language. Whether you're streamlining emails, analyzing options, or troubleshooting technical issues, Copilot adapts to your style and objectives. Let's see it in action. A manager enters, "Summarize my unread emails and tell me what needs action today." In seconds, Copilot scans the inbox, organizes information, and delivers a clear report. Urgent tasks at the top, follow-ups highlighted, and informational messages neatly listed below. Immediate priorities. Now, watch as an IT professional types. Create a step-by-step troubleshooting checklist for a Microsoft 365 login issue. Copilot responds with a structured guide. Verify credentials, check service status, review device settings, and escalate if needed. Each step flows logically, crafted for clarity and quick action. In another example, a business user asks, "Compare two project options and recommend the better one with pros and cons." Copilot presents a dynamic decision matrix, side-by-side strengths and weaknesses, actionable recommendations, and rationale tailored to your goals. Complex decisions become clear and confident moves. To get the best results, communicate with context. Specify the output you need: summary, checklist, table, or strategy plan. Don't hesitate to ask follow-up questions or refine Copilot's responses until the answer is practical and precise. With each adjustment, Copilot becomes more attuned to your workflow. Copilot Chat connects seamlessly with your emails, documents, and meeting notes, turning scattered information into synchronized insights. Conversations evolve into actions. Ideas flow into organized plans. Your productivity redefined. Copilot Chat is not only a chatbot, it is your productivity command center. What will you ask Copilot first? Comment below. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Idris Tech.